Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy to do but basic keyword research tool to hopefully help your website to rank better in the search engines. My name is Carl from Buzz Website Design, and it's our job to help you to reach more potential customers, typically through your online marketing channels like your website and your social media. So what do I mean by keyword research? Well, ultimately, your website online is ranked according to keywords and phrases. Google comes along and they send their software to take a look at your website, and they examine the language and the text and the code and the tags behind everything on your site. Now, it's always a very good idea to give your website some key themes which lets Google know that your website is about certain topics. So, for example, if you sell washing machines in Leicester, you need to make sure that the phrase washing machines in Leicester is all over your website. If you repair washing machines in Leicester, you need to make sure that the phrase washing machine repair in Leicester or Leicester washing machine repair is all over your website. So Google will know that the website is about this particular topic and other very closely related topics to go with it. But sometimes it can be quite difficult to come up with the right key phrases for your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk and talk you through, by recording the screen, how to go about finding out what people are searching for in your locality.
So here we're looking at our favourite search engine, and like it or not, in the UK, Google has over 85% of the search market, so this is the one we're going to focus on. So as I mentioned, we're looking at keyword research. So what can we do to find other keywords related to our topic that we can optimise our website to hopefully be found and do well for those search terms. So I'm going to give you a couple of quick examples and talk through how it works. So imagine we run a kennel in Leicester. So all I'm going to do is type in kennel in Leicester. Now, if you notice on this list, what they're giving us is a load of other search terms as suggestions. Now, these aren't just any suggestions. These are what people are searching for around or variations on this particular phrase here. So you've got kennel in Leicester, which is what we've just typed in. Kennel jobs in Leicester. Dog kennel in Leicester. Kennel jobs, and so on. So if I, for example, wanted to optimise my website, if I ran a dog kennels, I would be looking to make sure my website ranks for kennel in Leicester, dog kennel in Leicester, kennel Leicestershire, and possibly kennel club breeders in Leicestershire as well. But these are just suggestions, but like I said, they're not random. These are what people actually search for. So if we click on enter, just to enter that search into the search engine, okay, there's a whole bunch of different listings in here, but I want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page just to show you a little bit more help, because Google again give you searches related to kennel in Leicester, which means that these are things that people are searching for. It's geography based, so some of them are going to be places like Keyham, which is just outside Leicester. So that is again geographically close to Leicester. Keyham Kennels must be a popular place. But what it's also giving you is things like dog home boarding Leicester, luxury dog kennels Leicestershire. So the idea behind it is to use Google to find out what people are searching for. It doesn't, in this particular example, give you any detail as to how many people are searching, but it does give you a variety of phrases to target on your website, and if you work it well, you can optimize your website for a variety of different phrases and key search terms, so hopefully manage to hit some of these. So we've even got Dog Hotel Leicester, and people will be searching for this because Google said it's there, and this is what people have searched for in the past. So if you need any help with this, please let us know. But it really is quite straightforward to find out what people are searching for. Just click up there again, and it gives you just a few more suggestions. So, yeah, get on with it. And like I said, if you need any help, just give us a shout.
Well, I hope you found that useful. Just remember, it is a very basic keyword tool, but it will certainly help to give you some ideas on the kinds of things that people are searching for around your particular topic and around the most obvious key phrases. But what I'd like from you is a bit of a favour. So I hope you're going to take away this information and do something with it. And if you are, please let me know in the comments below what it is you're planning on doing. And if you have any questions, again, you can write them in the comments below. We always respond to questions on our videos. But anyway, I really appreciate you watching. If you like this video and like what we do, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a little icon in the corner down there. Just click on that. You can go through and subscribe. But anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And bye for now.